Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean chicken legs properly for cooking. I'll show you how to perfectly wash chicken at home, and without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For raw chicken cleaning, you need a lot of water. So I'll start by running water in my kitchen sink. Then I'll go in with the raw chicken. With my small kitchen knife, I'll start the cleaning. For this particular chicken leg, I'll start from the end and I'll use my knife to pull out the excess feather or the leftover feather still on the chicken leg. After this, with the same knife, I'll scrape off the dead skin. Take a look at what I just removed. You don't want to have this in your food, so I suggest you follow this step-by-step easy chicken prep tutorial. Next, over here is excess feather again, and this part is not very nice. So instead of scraping it off, I'll suggest that you cut it off. So cut off that excess skin, the excess feather, and the excess fat that might be underneath the skin. Then with my knife, I'll scrape the chicken leg skin. This is because sometimes you'll find some gunk stuck on that skin part, especially if you like to cook your chicken with the skin. Then you have to scrape the skin with your knife. I'll repeat this process again with another chicken leg, but this time I'll start by scraping off the skin first. Take a look at what I just removed, and I would still remove much more by scraping the skin. And this is why I'd say if you like to cook your chicken leg with the skin on, scrape the skin. Always scrape the skin. Next, I'll go to that part with the loose skin and with a lot of excess chicken feather. I'll cut it off. To cut this off, I can use my kitchen knife or kitchen scissors. This is what I just removed. Next, I'll go to the last part of the leg, that tip, this one. Yes, and I'll scrape off the dead skin as well. This is fairly common in chicken legs. You would always see that this part has dead skin, and I'll suggest that every time you see it, you remove the dead skin and also remove the chicken feather, just as can be seen in the video. After watching this video to the end, you would know how to properly clean your chicken legs anytime, any day. Now, this is what I am scraping off the chicken skin. Once again, always scrape off the skin, especially if you intend to cook it all together, okay? Now, after this first step of cleaning, it's time to drain off the water. This is all I removed from 6 chicken legs. So I'll get them all together, put them in the bin, and then I'll move on to the second stage of this chicken cleaning recipe. And of course, like I said earlier, for chicken cleaning, you need a lot of water. So I'll fill up my kitchen sink with a lot of water again. Of course, I'll rinse out the bowl because that's just what I love to do. Okay, and I mean, I have enough water to get it done. Next is to get the second thing I'll be using for this cleaning process, and I'll be using lime. So I'll proceed to cut the lime in halves and use it for the cleaning. Now, all you have to do is to sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. Trust this process, okay? For an amazingly, perfectly cleaned chicken leg. And if you've watched this video to this point, I know you find it interesting and helpful. So do well to like and subscribe. So what I'm going to do with this lime is to rub it all over the chicken skin and the body while lightly squeezing it. And after I'm done with that, of course, it's time to get everything together. So one thing I would always do is after the entire cleaning process, I would always wash my sink thoroughly with dishwashing liquid and sponge. Anyway, I like to let you know that this is how to properly clean your chicken at home before cooking. My delicious chicken recipe is waiting for me to cook this cleaned chicken with. Until I post my next video, have a lovely time. Bye.